What's up, guys? I'm Jonathan with KellTrac Solutions. We're here at Only Motorsports. I do a lot of custom tuning out of Only Motorsports and work with these guys quite a bit. I picked up a 24 Mustang last night, and we're going to be doing a lot of R&D with it, working on custom tuning and support for that, as well as product development and working with other companies to get products here for the cars, installation, tuning with the installation, and offering packages for you guys. Today we're going to get the car on the dyno and make a nice baseline pull so you guys know what to expect from your car when you pick it up from Ford. And we're also going to be putting the car on the dyno for any future mods so that you know what to expect with those mods and packages we'll be offering.